Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to disable ad blocker on Google Chrome. So step 1, open your Google Chrome browser and navigate to the upper right corner and click on the three vertical dots to open the menu. Step 2, from this, you can click on the extensions and then manage extensions. Step 3, this will open the extension page. And look for any installed ad blocker like AdBlock, AdBlock Plus, or uBlock Origin. Step 4. To disable it, you can simply toggle off the blue switch beside the ad blocker extension, and this disable it temporarily. Step 5. If you want to remove completely, click on the remove button and then tap remove. Step 6. Alternatively, if you want to allow ads only on specific websites, you can click on the extension right here and then don't run on this page. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.